Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today, we're checking out a super useful kitchen gadget, the portable range hood kitchen desktop exhaust fan, designed to remove smoke, oil fumes, and cooking odors right from your countertop. This compact range hood features 3 adjustable fan speeds, allowing you to easily control the airflow depending on what you're cooking. Whether it's light steaming, stir-frying, or a smoky indoor barbecue, you can switch between low, medium, and high power to keep the air clear. One of the key highlights is its triple filtration system, which typically combines a polymer filter, aluminum alloy condensation net, and activated carbon filter. This layered setup helps trap grease particles, absorb smoke, and reduce cooking odors effectively. The unit also includes a large oil collection cup that captures grease and condensed oil fumes during cooking. This keeps your kitchen cleaner and reduces the buildup of oily residue on nearby surfaces. Another great feature is the detachable aluminum filter, which can be removed for quick cleaning. Many models are even dishwasher safe, making maintenance simple after heavy cooking sessions. Despite its powerful suction, the fan operates quietly at under about 60 dB, so you can cook, talk, or enjoy a meal without loud noise in the background. The compact design means no installation is required. Just place it on your countertop, plug it in, and start cooking. It's perfect for apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, indoor barbecue setups, or hot pot dining, especially in kitchens without built-in ventilation. Overall, this portable desktop range hood is a practical solution for keeping your cooking space fresh, smoke-free, and comfortable, even in small kitchens. If you want to grab it for the best price, make sure to click the link below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.